Hi, Mr. Youngblood. This is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. Just shooting over that video on how you can improve your online revenue. So, just taking a look at your website. First off, love the logo. You got your click to call for this quick conversion, which is awesome, as well as you have the drop down for all your different services and everything like that. Then, of course, the different style services you provide, as well as mission statement, what you're all about, what you do, and then letting everyone know, hey, leave your name, number, email, and what service you're looking for, and we'll get right back to you. And then you hit the bottom of the website where it gets, once again, you have your navigation, um, and phone number and email. Now, I don't see a ton of content. What Google now is truly looking for is around 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website with a bunch of buyer intent or organic keywords mixed in. What an organic keyword is those buyer intent keywords that people are looking for or people are typing in to Google to look for your specific service. And also, I found this very interesting. Um, I'm not sure what happened, but I don't know. I think something's going on with the website that you're able to just fade to white. Um, all right, so let's take a look behind the scenes about what's going on with your website. So this is a system called Ahrefs that allows us to do that. And the two main things that we're looking at are the UR rating, which is the strength of your website, and the DR rating, which is the trust Google places in your website. So the UR, you are looking to be between that 30 to 40 range, which your UR rating, strength, perfect. Your trust rating is only at a 2, so that needs a little bit of work. The way to boost those up is to have good backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a Wikipedia link would be awful if it connected back to yours because that's super spammy. But a hardwood flooring blog that leads back to yours would be awesome. Now, another thing, as I said before, are those organic keywords. So, what Google shows that your buyer intent keywords are and what you're ranking for. What words are you ranking? So, if we take a look at yours, you got one of the best, well, for your spot in Richardson. Um, Not much volume. As you can see, the best keyword is the flooring company Richardson, Texas, which only has 100, and you're in position 8 of that, which is still first page. It's the bottom of the first page, so it's not bad. I would try like raising that up, seeing if you can add some more content to raise that up. And then, of course, as you can see, you're only getting 4 traffic, even though you're on the front page. Now, the ones you would be looking for, as you see, Hardwood, Texas, Texas hardwood flooring, they might have 200 searches, but these are very generic for it can be someone in Del Rio or Houston, where I am. So this is too generic. So even if you get traffic, it might they might not be by your intent because it might be someone 8 hours away. So then you have Richardson Flooring, which has 90. But what you're truly looking for, Dallas Hardwood Flooring, or Hardwood Flooring Dallas, or Hardwood Flooring Dallas, in Dallas. All those have 300 searches per month for that specific keyword. Now, as you can see, you're on this about the third page of Google for these words, which is why you're only seeing like 1 or 2 traffic through your site for these words. So let's take a look at what it would look like if what one of these keywords would look like. So hardwood flooring Dallas. First thing pops up, ads. So that's the people that are paying to be on the front. And if you would click on this, and they would answer, and they would get charged. So that's the advantage of being on the front. Now, next thing, Google Map Pack. Super important to be on this because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here. The reason being, they're at the top. Well, how do they know one's better than the other? This is the easiest thing to go with, so they'll go with these guys. Then you have your organic rankings. So these are from the strength of the website. First up, top competitor, Because Dallas is a lot bigger, of course, we're going to go with the Dallas people, which Texas Hardwood Flooring is your top competitor. Let's check their website out. So their website, pretty generic. They got their logo. They have everyone they're working with. It's very cluttered up here, but they do have their click to call, which is great. Going through their site, um, they just have all their services, what they do, and some discounts. So that's going to put the glint in people's eyes. So they just have a bunch of stuff. They don't have too much content. Um, yeah, they really don't have much. But let's see why they're doing so well. So let's check behind the scenes. As you can see, they have a pretty good ratio, 20 to 15. Still not in those 30s. However, their ratio is pretty well, so that's really good. They have 728 backlinks. It's quality over quantity here, so that's the reason why they're doing so well is because they have good backlinks, as well as they have a ton of keywords. Let's check out what those are or what they're ranking for. So these are generic. They're not necessarily buyer intent. So that's why even though they're getting traffic, it's more towards their blog than it is towards their actual website to buy something. So let's check. Of course, Texas Hardwood Flooring, that's their name, so that's why they're kind of cheap at number one. But let's go Hardwood Flooring Dallas. 300, they're number two, which means they're actually on the front. They're the first on the organic rankings of an actual website. And just for being number one, they're getting 45. And for the next one, number one again, they're getting 44. They're getting a lot of organic traffic because they're on page one and the top of page one and the top one or two. So if we're looking to beat them out, first off, we got to get those quality backlinks. You already know where those are. We can just take them, you can find them straight from his backlinks. You know they work. So you can always go over, find his backlinks, add them to yours. That'll help you boost up your ranking. And then, of course, you want to get that content up. And in that content, 15 to 2,000 words, you want to get those organic keywords in there. The Hardwood Flooring Dallas, Dallas Flooring Company, all of those good keywords that you saw that had 300 search volume. You want to organically put them throughout your site just so Google will say, hey, let's rank this guy for these keywords, and that'll help you build that organic traffic to start beating out Texas Flooring Company or Texas Hardwood Flooring. Sorry. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful, Mr. Youngblood. And if you have any questions, you can always reach back out to me. And as always, I'm always looking to improve. So if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.